Why do you think nature is so mind-bogglingly vast? Pause. Picture this. Imagine the Milky Way, sprawling with up to 400 billion stars, sparkling in the vast expanse of space. Now hold on to your hats. Earth, our own green planet, hosts over 3 trillion trees. That's right, our Earth has more trees than the Milky Way has stars. This extraordinary fact isn't just cool trivia, it underscores the staggering abundance of life right here at home, and highlights the crucial need to shield these invaluable natural treasures. So let's cherish and protect our leafy giants, for they outnumber the stars above.